sun came over the hill, the rooster crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
10 more minutes, said the farmer. When the cow said,
Moo.
the rooster crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
5 more minutes, said the farmer. When the horse went,
No.
the rooster crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Just a few more minutes, said the farmer. When the pigs went,
Boink, 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 boink.
the rooster crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
1 more minute, said the farmer. When the chicken said,
Ba, ba, ba.
the rooster crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Half a minute, said the farmer. When the farmer's wife yelled,
Help us.
the rooster crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
In a second, said the farmer. But when the cow said,
Moo.
the horse said,
No.
and the pig said,
Boink, boink, boink.
and the chicken said,
Ba, ba, ba.
and the farmer's wife yelled,
Help